Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. So here's a plant that'll add a golden glow to your garden and contrast with beautiful blue flowers. Caryopteris Sunshine Blue, sometimes called bluebird. Now most of these have green foliage. This is a special one with golden foliage. There's even a new one called Sunshine Blue 2 that is hardier than this one, but I'll tell you, this has gone through every winter I've ever had. And one of the things I love about this plant is it is drought tolerant as a rock, and an extra surprise, it has wonderful smelling, kind of a lemon smelling foliage. It's really a great plant. Now there's really only one thing you have to do to this plant. Of course, you want to put this in well-drained soil in full sun, but then in spring, right when new growth starts in your garden, you want to cut this guy down to about 6 inches, if you can get down that far. It gets pretty thick at the bottom, and it'll grow back just like this did and bloom right in fall to add a beautiful color spot in your garden. No doubt about it, Caryopteris Sunshine Blue, my favorite plant.